Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any gadget, just visit Amazon or Alibaba, type the name of the product and you will find it on Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see our products and hacks we've got in this video. These are mats you can use in the kitchen, and this is a cleaner. This is another cleaner you can use for the corners. We've got this one you can use for your sandals. This is a small trash bin, and this is a shoes dryer. This is another pink trash bin. This is a soap bar holder. This is the package. She's gonna unpack these new products. These are gloves you can use for washing the dishes. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a small grinder you can use for grinding garlic. This is another apartment. We'll see the products we've got in this apartment. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet. This is a small cleaner you can use for carpets. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. This is another quick we'll see the tools and hacks we've got in this amazing apartment. This is another apartment. This is a fold-in washing machine. This is a tool you can use for defrosting meat, and this is a cutting board. This is a grinder you can use for meat. This is an oil brush you can use for food. This is a frying pan you can use for making omelette. This is a small blender you can use for making juice. This is another apartment. We'll see the products we've got in this apartment. This is the package. This is a shows dryer. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet. It's really cool. This is a small box you can use for toilet paper. These are small baskets you can use for vegetables and fruits. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.